Welcome to this video on Amazon GuardDuty, an intelligent threat detection service. GuardDuty is part of the AWS security series, designed to help you protect your cloud infrastructure. In this tutorial, we'll explore how GuardDuty continuously monitors your AWS environment to identify and respond to security threats automatically. Amazon GuardDuty is a fully managed threat detection service provided by AWS. It continuously monitors your AWS accounts and workloads for any suspicious or malicious activity. What makes GuardDuty powerful is its use of machine learning and threat intelligence to automatically identify potential security issues. The best part is that it provides intelligent and automated security monitoring without requiring you to set up any additional infrastructure. GuardDuty excels at detecting unauthorized behavior, reconnaissance attempts by attackers, and potential account compromises, giving you peace of mind about your cloud security. GuardDuty works by analyzing data from 4 primary sources in your AWS environment. First, it monitors VPC Flow Logs, which track network traffic patterns and behaviors across your virtual private cloud. Second, it analyzes CloudTrail events, which record all API calls and account activity in your AWS environment. Third, it examines DNS logs to identify suspicious domain query patterns and resolutions. And finally, it monitors Kubernetes audit logs from your Amazon EKS clusters to track container activity and operations. By pulling data from these multiple sources, GuardDuty gets a comprehensive view of what's happening in your AWS environment. GuardDuty identifies 4 main categories of security threats. The first category is reconnaissance, which includes unusual API activity and port scanning attempts by potential attackers trying to map your infrastructure. The second is instance compromise, where GuardDuty detects malware infections, backdoors, and cryptocurrency mining operations on your EC2 instances. Third is account compromise, which identifies credential exposure and unauthorized access attempts to your AWS accounts. And finally, data exfiltration threats are detected when GuardDuty notices unusual data transfers or suspicious S3 access patterns that could indicate someone stealing your data. GuardDuty operates through a simple 3-step process. In Step 1, it continuously collects and analyzes log data from multiple AWS sources we discussed earlier. In Step 2, GuardDuty applies its intelligence by running machine learning models and consulting threat intelligence feeds from AWS and security partners like CrowdStrike and Proofpoint. These models have been trained to recognize patterns of malicious behavior. Finally, in Step 3, when GuardDuty identifies a potential threat, it generates detailed security findings that include information about the affected resources, severity levels, and recommended actions you should take. Every finding generated by GuardDuty is assigned a severity level to help you prioritize your response. High-severity findings range from 7.0 to 8.9 and represent critical security issues that require immediate attention and response. Medium-severity findings, ranging from 4.0 to 6.9, indicate moderate threats that should be investigated and addressed promptly. Low-severity findings, with scores from 0.1 to 3.9, are generally informational and may indicate reconnaissance attempts or unusual, but not necessarily malicious activity. These severity levels help security teams focus on the most critical threats first. GuardDuty offers several powerful features that make it an excellent choice for AWS security. First, it provides easy deployment. You can enable it with just a single click in the AWS console, with no agents to install or infrastructure to manage. Second, it offers continuous monitoring, analyzing events in real time across your entire AWS environment 24/7. Third, GuardDuty maintains low false positives through its advanced machine learning algorithms, which means you won't waste time investigating alerts that aren't real threats. Finally, it has native integration with other AWS services like EventBridge and Security Hub, making it easy to automate your security responses. GuardDuty integrates seamlessly with several AWS services to enable automated responses to security threats. With Amazon EventBridge, you can route findings to trigger automated responses using Oz Lambda functions, allowing you to take immediate action when threats are detected. Through AWS Security Hub, you can centralize and prioritize findings across multiple Oz accounts in one place. Using Simple Notification Service, or SNS, you can send real-time alerts to your security teams via email, text messages, or other notification channels. And with Amazon Detective, you can perform deep investigation and root cause analysis to understand exactly what happened during a security incident. Let's wrap up by highlighting the key benefits of using GuardDuty. First, it's cost-effective with a pay-per-use pricing model based on the volume of data analyzed, so you only pay for what you use. Second, it enables rapid deployment with no infrastructure overhead or ongoing maintenance required. You can have it up and running in minutes. Third, GuardDuty provides multi-account support through AWS organizations, allowing you to manage security centrally across your entire organization. And finally, it gives you comprehensive visibility into threats across your entire AWS environment, helping you maintain a strong security posture. Thank you for watching this introduction to Amazon GuardDuty.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.